Do you want to make Reels series on Instagram? You can create a series of Instagram Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a Reels series on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now, record a video or upload one from your gallery. Edit your Reel video if needed and tap on Next. On the share screen, tap on the Link a Reel button under your caption section. A new screen will appear showing your previously posted Reel videos. Select a Reel that you want to link to this new video. Once selected, you will see a screen where you can add a title for your previous video. For example, you can add Watch Part 1. This will appear at the bottom of your current Reel video. After selecting and adding a title for the series, tap on the checkmark or Done. Now, add your caption, cover, and tags, then tap on the Share button. Your Reel will now be posted as part of a series, and viewers will be able to see it at the bottom of your video.